Some of the best foods for hair growth are foods that have high nutritional value like eggs, leafy greens, and fatty fish. Deficiencies in nutrients can affect hair health. Many people want strong and healthy hair, especially as they grow older. However, how fast it grows and how healthy it is depends on many factors including age, overall health, genetics, environmental exposure, medications, and diet. Although you can't change some factors like age and genetics, one factor you likely have more control over is your diet. Studies suggest deficiencies in vitamins B12 and D, biotin, riboflavin, iron, and other nutrients are associated with hair loss. Eating a balanced diet that is rich in these vitamins and minerals may help promote hair growth, especially if you're experiencing hair loss due to poor nutrition. Eggs. Eggs are a great source of protein and biotin, two nutrients that are essential for hair growth. Eating adequate protein is important for hair growth because hair follicles are mostly made of protein. A lack of protein in the diet has been shown to promote hair loss. Biotin is essential for the production of a hair protein called keratin, which is why biotin supplements are often marketed for hair growth. Research has also shown that consuming more biotin can help improve hair growth in people with a biotin deficiency. Eggs are also a great source of zinc, selenium, and other hair-healthy nutrients. This makes them one of the best foods to consume for optimal hair health. Spinach. Spinach is a healthy green vegetable that's loaded with beneficial nutrients like folate, iron, and vitamins A and C, all of which are important for hair growth. Spinach is also a great plant-based source of iron, which is essential for hair growth. Iron helps red blood cells carry oxygen throughout the body to fuel your metabolism and aid growth and repair. Spinach is loaded with folate, iron, and vitamins A and C, which are important for hair growth. A deficiency in these nutrients may result in hair loss. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are full of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and carotenoid antioxidants. They're also one of the best vegetable sources of biotin. Biotin is very important for strong and healthy hair. A half cup, 125 gram, serving of cooked sweet potatoes contains 2.4 micrograms of biotin or 8% of the DV. Sweet potatoes are loaded with vitamin A, which is important for hair growth and affects sebum production. A lack of the right nutrients, including vitamins A, C, D, and E, zinc, B vitamins, iron, biotin, protein, and essential fatty acids, may slow down hair growth or even cause hair loss. Fortunately, correcting a deficiency in any of these nutrients may help treat hair loss and promote the rate of hair growth.